There was once a young man named Rohan who always postponed his tasks. "I'll do it tomorrow," he would say. Whether it was studying, helping his parents, or chasing his dreams, he always found an excuse to delay. One day, his teacher announced a big competition that could change his life. The winner would get a scholarship to a prestigious university. Rohan was excited, but kept thinking, "I still have time. I'll start preparing tomorrow." Days passed, then weeks. On the last night before the competition, he finally sat down to prepare, but it was too late. The questions were too difficult, and he felt overwhelmed. The next day, he performed poorly and lost the opportunity. Disappointed, Rohan realized his mistake. He had all the time he needed, but his habit of procrastination had cost him his dream. From that day on, he changed. He started doing things immediately instead of waiting for tomorrow. Moral: procrastination steals opportunities. Start today, because tomorrow may be too late.